Hi, I'm Betsy. I'm a tasty producer, and today I'm going to show you how to make my ice cube chocolate cups. You'll fill up each muffin tin slot with water and then place a popsicle stick in each slot. You'll freeze them until solid, and then while your water is freezing, you'll make your fillings and your melted chocolate. I chose 3 different fillings for this video. The first filling I chose was peanut butter, like a peanut butter cream cheese based mousse. With this recipe, I kind of wanted to channel my inner chocolatier. The second filling is cookies and cream, so good. Another reason why I chose 3 fillings was really to inspire you to get creative with your own fillings. Maybe you don't want to do peanut butter, cookies or cream, or dark chocolate, but maybe you want to do a cheesecake filling. That would be really cool. Or even like a chocolate chip cookie dough. That would be amazing. Just get creative in your kitchen. You're bound to find something that's super delicious, works for you, and works for your family and friends. I've crushed the chocolate sandwich cookies in a Ziploc bag, but you can easily put them in a food processor or blender if you would prefer not to use a plastic bag. And then the final filling is like a chocolate pudding, balance of like the bittersweet chocolate with something sweet like a raspberry, and then a little scent of a mint is just so delicious. So I used 3 different types of melted chocolate for this recipe. Each chocolate corresponds with its designated filling, if you will. Obviously, you can get kind of creative with your own melted chocolate if you prefer one chocolate over the other. You don't want to fully submerge the ice cube into the chocolate, covering it entirely, otherwise you lose the cup shape. And voila, time to fill. For this recipe, I've used milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and white chocolate. When you're melting your chocolate, you really want to be careful not to melt your chocolate on high in the microwave because that will cause your chocolate to seize. So it won't really get that super smooth, like ribbony effect. You want to melt your chocolate probably on medium power and stir every 30 seconds. This will ensure that your chocolate doesn't seize and get that super clumpy, not so attractive texture. You want that smooth, ribbony, like, oh my gosh, I literally just want to pour this in my mouth texture. I never thought in a million years I'd be filling up a muffin tin with water to create ice cubes, to dip in melted chocolate, to create something that could be sold in like a high-end chocolate shop in Beverly Hills, you know?